Hiya! So today is launch day of my third book of the series, Tales of the Little Sheep from Garwood. It's my fourth book made, but the third from this series. And today is launch day, so you can get it now. You can get the official physical copy, or you can get it from various places, the ebook version, which is a tad different. The exact same story and pictures inside, just laid out slightly different. These are like full page pictures with the writing on top. The ebooks are got pictures and then the writing underneath. So this is it. In this tale, the sheep of Garwood are getting ready for the Sheermas celebrations. All except one, that is. Will Bob join in the party? So basically Sheermas is the time of year where it gets all warm and the sheeps shear off their coats and they have a big celebration for it. So if you want to see what Bob ends up doing, you'd have to read it. And with this one finished, I have now completed this one, which is all three of my books that I've done so far in one series. So if you don't want them individually, you'll be able to get this one. This one's not quite available yet. It will be soon. But the same stories and everything, is just the three are in one book. I'm going to be doing this after every 3 new books are out. There'll be a one with all the collection in it. So this features 3 different graphics from the 3 different books. Shows you the books on the back which were inside. So yeah, this one will be available soon. I haven't got an exact date for it yet, but this one is available from today. So the links will be in the description. Put a link to my website as well, where you can find all the other books, and which includes all the journals and stuff that I design as well, not just the storybooks. So yeah. So if you end up buying this for your kid or reading it, let me know what you think about it. I'd love some feedback. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.